Oh man, I'm starving. Is there anything to eat? I think I can help you out with that, Shrek. Whoa! I love barbecues. Alright, Shrek. 1 second. I have to set this up. Okay, let's put this giant barbecue sticker on the grill. Awesome! Now let's see what's inside. Here are 2 side trays and holders we can attach to the grill. Perfect! Now let's hang up some cooking utensils. Here's a spatula, a tong, a lighter, and this is a grilling basket. Moving on. Here's a knife and a cutting board. Here's a bottle of ketchup. Delicious seasoning. A bottle of barbecue sauce. 2 blue plates. And a fork and a knife. I'm so excited! What are you going to make? Well, we can't have a barbecue without burgers and hot dogs. I'll also make some chicken and corn too. Let's fire up the grill. Make sure the gas is on. Let's put all the meats on first. Woo! It smells good! Let's start by making the hot dog. Here's our delicious looking hot dog. Now let's make the hamburger. Put the patty on the bun, lettuce, and ketchup. We just finished making the juicy hamburger. Now let's put this chicken on a plate. Shrek is going to love this. Now let's make the corn. 2 grilled corns coming right up. Let's hope Shrek can eat all this. Who are we kidding? Of course he can! Alright Shrek, here's all your food. Which one would you like first? Whoa! It all looks so delicious! I think I'll start with the hamburger. Alright, hamburger it is. Open wide. Aw. That was so good. I can't wait to try all the other foods. All right, Shrek, what would you like next? Chicken, please. One chicken coming right up. Say ah. Ah. More food, please. What would you like next? Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. All right, for the hot dog, let me put some ketchup on first. Here you go. Aw. Time for the corn. Okay, here comes the first one. Say ah. Aw. And here comes the second one. Aw. Wow, that was delicious. Thank you for feeding me. Well, hope you had fun watching Shrek eat. Hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!